Hi and welcome to Kani Craze. This is the fourth video of my step-by-step guide to actively prep my pack for the arrival of my baby. Today we will be working on boundaries. So grab your treats and get ready.
I'm Fabia Feuerabend, an internationally certified dog trainer, behaviorist, nutritionist and canine fitness coach. As a busy mom of an ever-growing pack, I'm constantly trying to balance what I love, training dogs, my career, passion and interests, with who I love, my dogs, friends and family. Here are some of my tips and tricks for keeping the relationship to my dogs healthy, fit and fun while trying to balance it all.
We have successfully mastered the first trimester and are entering the second one. The tiredness is almost gone and I'm starting to feel more like myself again. My appetite has increased and we are starting to snack a couple times throughout the day. All my dogs have adjusted to the changes. Shona is luckily no longer avoiding me and Stella hasn't been overly pushy anymore. Today we will start to introduce boundaries with impulse control. The concept of boundaries will be very useful once you have set up your nursery and you would rather like your dog to stay outside instead of coming in. We will teach this taking advantage of the previous two exercises we did, basic obedience and also place. If you haven't seen the videos, I will put the links in the description below so you can check them out. What I would like to practice here is to resist the urge to come running as soon as the fridge door opens, so that I don't have to compete with all these dogs' noses. So first, pick a suitable boundary that you can reinforce consistently. I have these two different floor tiles here that I will use. So what I will do, I will go towards the fridge and keep an eye on my boundary. As soon as a dog approaches, I will say her name, ask her to stop, tell her to lay down, then I will go there and reward. After this, I just ask her to down and stay, so I can go back to the fridge and snack here. So I approach the boundary. Stop! Stop! Go back. Down. Good job. It's always fun. Good job. So first they will get a treat for staying down at the boundary, and I will ask them to stay. Good job, guys. Go back and reward them for staying down. Good stop. Stay. Good job, guys. Good job. As I only need this as a temporary boundary, I have to make sure to release my dogs afterwards. Come, love, guys. Come, off. Good job. You want to go out? If you and your dogs are also on the journey towards two-legged parenthood, please let us know how you're doing and what you're doing to get your pups ready by leaving a comment below. And if you like this video and would like to see more free training videos in the future, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe. See you next time.